Okay, so this is a New Yorker brand hot water boiler, and it's from around 1997. And as far as I understand, this thing has not been cleaned in several years. So I popped the covers off it today because I wanted to check out what the condition of it is inside, and sure enough, it's pretty cruddy. It's not the worst I've seen, but it's definitely not. It's far from clean. So here's a bunch of the rust and crud that came out when I took the cover off. So we're going to brush this all down, clean all the flue passages, and you can see how much gunk is down inside all these. They're all loaded up with junk. So it's an oil boiler. I'll show you what model it is. FR147, so 147,000 BTU oil boiler. So I shut it down a couple hours ago, and I'm gonna clean it up. Well, there's what it looks like all cleaned up. I didn't get all of it, but I sure did get a lot.
And there's even some at the bottom that still needs to get vacuumed up. But all in all, a pretty good job. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.